Stay till the end because Coca-Cola has one step that almost nobody knows about.
Using advanced filtration systems.
Coca-Cola tests the water multiple times to guarantee Coca-Cola maintains perfect quality and safety. Coca-Cola mixes purified water with its secret syrup inside giant stainless steel tanks. Coca-Cola mixes purified water with its secret syrup inside giant stainless steel tanks. Coca-Cola carefully controls temperature and pressure to maintain Coca-Cola's smooth and refreshing flavor. Coca-Cola uses advanced machines to blend ingredients perfectly so Coca-Cola always tastes identical. Coca-Cola creates its famous fizz by injecting carbon dioxide gas into the liquid. Coca-Cola controls the bubbles carefully because Coca-Cola wants that signature sparkling feeling. Coca-Cola carbonation gives the drink its refreshing bite that millions of people love. Coca-Cola produces its bottles using high-speed plastic molding machines. Coca-Cola heats plastic materials and shapes them into bottles within seconds. Coca-Cola cools and cleans bottles before Coca-Cola fills them with the finished drink. Coca-Cola fills bottles at incredible speed, sometimes producing thousands every minute. Coca-Cola fills bottles at incredible speed, sometimes producing thousands every minute. Coca-Cola seals bottles instantly to protect freshness and carbonation. Coca-Cola labels each bottle with brand design that makes Coca-Cola recognizable everywhere. Coca-Cola checks bottles using cameras and sensors to detect mistakes. Coca-Cola shipments worldwide. Coca-Cola loads trucks, ships, and airplanes to deliver Coca-Cola to stores and restaurants. Coca-Cola travels across countries so Coca-Cola can reach millions of people daily. Coca-Cola appears in birthday parties, football matches, and joyful memories that make Coca-Cola part of life. Coca-Cola shows how science and creativity can create something loved by millions. Coca-Cola will continue refreshing the world while Coca-Cola keeps its legendary secrets alive. Coca-Cola. If you enjoyed learning how Coca-Cola is made, Coca-Cola invites you to like, subscribe, and join more amazing factories.
Thank you.